How to reset CPanel password in GoDaddy. Now the first thing that we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right, and then go into My Products. Now here from the products page, we will scroll down until we see web hosting. Just click on it and click on manage here next to your plan. Now this is going to take me to CPanel. So as you can see, CPanel admin is right here. And it's going to look like this. So CPanel login, and this is going to be our password. So if we want to reset our CPanel password in GoDaddy, we'll just click on change here next to password, and you can either input your new password here, or you can generate password like this. And after we have generated the password, we can view to, you can click on this eye to view it. And if we click on change password, then that's going to reset our GoDaddy CPanel password. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.